What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jayla, and I'm back again with another video. So if you saw this title, then you already know what this video is going to be about. And I'm just going to give you guys some little insight on the hair in the next clip. Not paid or anything. And you guys, if you want affordable synthetic hair, you know, just in case you just want to go somewhere for the time being and you just want something quick, and it's this brand and it's really good hair, I would recommend it. It also tells you about the washing instructions for this hair. It just tells you that on the back. It tells you how to curl it, if you're gonna curl it or whatever. It tells you to use synthetic shampoo, how to apply conditioner. It just tells you all the information you need to know about the hair on the back. I don't think I still have, if you went into the store, it looks like this, of course. I do recommend this brand, and thank you guys for watching my video. Alright, you guys, so right here I'm just showing you my closure, and all I did was put foundation on it, and it took really well. Like, I can't believe it's synthetic closure. Like, it was so good. And so right here I'm just sewing the closure on. If you can see, I already cut the cap. That's because I had made a mistake, but I had already cut it and did what I did. And also, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys another mistake I made. I did not put my closure further down on my forehead, because once I start sewing it at the back, it starts pushing up. So that was one of my big mistakes, but I ended up fixing it. And also, I want to tell you guys that when I do sew down my closures, I sew down one side then the next side, not just everything at once, so it lifts up easy. Not lift up easy, what is it called? Not so it's like I don't know how to explain it, but I just sew down one side, the other side in the back. And that's what you're gonna see in this next few clips, me just sewing the closure down. Also, another thing that I wish I would have did differently, even though it came out pretty good, was I wish I would have underbraided my starter locks. Being for the simple fact is, with my locks, you're gonna see throughout the tutorial, as I try to sew over it, it started getting puffy as I'm going up. I don't know if that's normal or not. I don't know, but this was my first time doing it. I did love the outcome, but that's something that I wish I would have done differently. I wish I would have just underbraided the locks instead of doing it the other way. So yeah, in this clip I'm just gonna be sewing down my closure and just checking it out at the end, and it looks so good, you guys. Like, I was so shocked on how good it looked, but it looked really good. All right, so I'm just putting my hair up with my clamp, and I'm gonna start with the 18-inch bundle, and I'm gonna start sewing that in soon. All right, so this is me sewing it in. I did do the double weft. I'm guessing that's what you call it, when you double up and you sew it. I don't know, I'm not a cosmetologist. I don't really do hair for a living. Like, this is just, you know, something I do for myself, no one else. I'm my mom, but yeah. All right, so now I'm going in with the 16-inch bundle. And this hair was really like easy to work with. Like, I just love this texture. I just love the hair, like, because I'm a big fan of synthetic hair, because I feel like it's cheaper, it's faster, you know, stuff like that. Human hair, you know, you just gotta, you know, you wear it longer and stuff like that, but you know, it can look good also, but like, it gets expensive if you change your hair up a lot. So synthetic is kind of like the way to go if you change your hair up a lot. That's what I think, but you know, who am I? So yeah, I'm just sewing the hair in, just making sure I have it tight enough, and just making sure that I'm doing everything right. So that's what you're gonna see in these next clips, me just sewing the hair down and around. And you can see my like my braid. I only did 2 braids in my head and got this look, so that was amazing. Yeah. Alright, so I'm done with that bundle. I didn't show you guys, but I grabbed my 14-inch bundle and I just went ahead and started finishing it up. And also I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, you're gonna see it and come up in the clip. Maybe I should wait, but once I get closer to the top, instead of me flipping the hair back over and sewing it in, I cut it. So it's easier to do it that way than me doing the flip over. I'm not sure if I did the flip over here. I'm pretty sure I didn't do the flip over. I don't know. But I shouldn't have done the flip over if I did. I don't think I did though. My edges are so cute. So yeah, I'm just sewing it in, sewing it in, sewing it in. Alright, and then this is the part where I'm gonna cut the hair after I sew it in. Well, I think this is the part. Yeah, so I cut the hair. Alright, and so I'm just gonna just keep sewing the hair in and stuff like that. And I'll just come back when you guys move. I won't have to tell you guys some more information. Alright, so now I'm done sewing in all the hair and it's time to get my closure together. So what I'm doing right now is separating some hair in the front where I'm going to sew it down, because you know I told you guys I made a mistake because I didn't put my closure far enough down on my forehead. So right here I'm just going to get my needle and thread and just sew this part down so it don't really move and it just stay like that. And that's what you're gonna see me doing in the next few clips. I'm just gonna be sewing it just sewing it down, and it came out really well. And also I didn't show you guys a part, but I also went in on the sides after that and I sewed it down to the next strike over. I guess you can see it right now. Like I connected it to the next one, and that's just how I got it really tight and to look flat. And I'm just doing it on this side also now. Alrighty, okay, yeah, so that's just my little hair tutorial. I'm just parting it and I'm almost done, but I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or any tips, just let me know in the description, not in the description, I'm so sorry, in the comment section down below. I accept criticism, everything, so just let me know what you guys think. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. It is 4:38 in the morning and I started this at 2 o'clock. Okay, you guys, so decided to install some hair over my starter locks, and this is a sew-in. And in this video you're going to see how it just came out so good. I put my so I put my foundation on it and it came out like so good. But I just want to thank you guys